The human skeleton is the internal framework of bones in the human body, consisting of 206 bones divided into the axial and appendicular skeletons. It provides structural support, protection for vital organs, facilitates movement, and serves as a site for blood cell production in the bone marrow. Skull protects the brain and houses sensory organs like eyes and ears. Clavicle, collarbones, connects the shoulder blades to the sternum, providing support to the arms and aiding in shoulder movement. Sternum forms the front part of the ribcage, protecting vital organs like the heart. Ribcage protects organs in the chest, such as the heart and lungs, and assists in breathing. Humerus, the upper arm bone connecting the shoulder to the elbow, facilitating arm movement. Ulna and radius, the forearm bones, with the ulna supporting mainly the inner forearm, and the radius supporting the outer forearm. Spine, vertebral column, supports the body, protects the spinal cord, and allows flexibility and movement. Pelvis supports the spine and connects the lower limbs, providing a foundation for the body. Femur, thigh bone, the longest and strongest bone in the body, supporting body weight and facilitating leg movement. Fibula and tibia, leg bones supporting the lower leg, with the tibia being the larger weight-bearing bone, and the fibula providing muscle attachment. Each of these skeletal components plays a crucial role in providing structural support, protection, and enabling movement in the human body. For more videos, please subscribe Ahan Learning Institute.